Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Merry New Year! It is the new year. It is 2020. We're in a new decade. And I have a new hair video for you guys. Let's see. I picked this up. When did I order this? I want to say I ordered it on Thanksgiving or Black Friday. I think it was Thanksgiving because I was at my sister's house. So I believe it was Thanksgiving I ordered this. So if you guys want to see me take my hair down and talk about this product that I ordered, stay tuned. Okay, well, let's see. I took an extended break because, let me pull down my sleeves. I took an extended break because, well, I wanted to spend time with the family. I wanted to finish up my previous class, which is all done, thank Jesus. And my next class actually starts tomorrow. And I just was like, I just want to take some time and chill and reflect and plan out the new year because I have a lot going on this year. So I said, okay, I'll just take a longer break. And while I was on break, I've been trying out the Mielle Rosemary Mint and Mint products. I picked these up on, I want to say Thanksgiving. They were running a 30% off sale, I want to say. So I picked up the three products from that line. No, it's actually 4 or 5 products, I believe, in the line. I'll have all the links below. But I picked up 3 of the 3 pieces from the line. So I normally like show you guys as I'm twisting my hair. And I was like, you know, it's a new year. Let's do something a little different. So we're going to start this video with me untwisting my hair. So this is technically day 2 hair. I have my mirror in front of me. You guys can see. And I was like, you know what? Let me just untwist my hair and you guys can see how I style my hair. So first thing I'm going to start with is the Mielle Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften Oil. I'm going to put that on my hair to keep from having too many flyaways and things like that. And we're going to talk about each of the products that I used. First thing that I used was the Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Here it is right here. This is a 12-ounce bottle. I use that to wash my hair. And let's see. It wasn't a bad shampoo. I actually liked it. I think it pretty much got all of the dirt and everything off my scalp and even off of my hair. I actually used it several times. Like I said, I normally use the product now for like 2 weeks. So to give myself a little bit more trial with it, and I can give you guys a better impression of the product and how I really feel on it. And like I said, I did like the product. I thought the product was really nice, and I think it really cleaned my scalp pretty well. The next thing that I used was the strengthening hair mask. Here it is right here. There's the jar. There we go. Turn it. There we go. It's right here. And this is a 12-ounce jar of the strengthening mask. I come back and can't even talk. Let's see. I did like the mask. I can actually probably put it in my rotation of hair masks. As you all know, I normally use either the low porosity hair mask, a deep conditioner from Shea Moisture, or I use the Manuka Honey from Shea Moisture also. I use those at different seasons, and you guys know how much I love those. And this one here I really liked. I think it's something I could probably put into the rotation. Like if I'm out of both of those, this would be a nice little a nice alternative, I think, to use while I am like out of products and things like that. Let's see. And the last thing that I used was the Daily Styling Cream, and this is infused with biotin and encourages growth. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle right here. Okay. Now, with that, the styling cream, you can use it on a twist out or a wash and go. Now, I opted for a twist out first because I did a twist out. You all know my last product that I used was the Mo Nose hair products, and I used it on a twist out, and it looked really nice. So I was like, you know what? All right, let's see how this goes. And I did like the product. I think my only issue is the product does have a bit of a hold to it. And it kind of caught me off guard. I'll admit I wasn't expecting the product to have such a hold to it, and I just realized my front twist was not taken down. So I didn't realize it was going to have that much of a hold to it. But I didn't dislike it having a hold. And I'm kind of intrigued, and I kind of want to see how it's going to work on a wash and go. And normally I use creams for wash and go in the winter time. So it is very possible I may use this for a wash and go. So if you guys want to see me try this as a wash and go, give me a thumbs up and talk to me below and let me know if you guys want to see it in a wash and go and how I feel with it on a wash and go. But I will say that the styler is not bad at all. I mean, as you guys can see, my twist very, very defined. I have curls everywhere. It's pretty crazy how the curls are. I even, what was it? One time, what was it? I think last week, I actually slept. I didn't retwist my hair. I normally retwist my hair every night, and I sleep. I sleep with them retwisted. But one time, what was it? A couple of days, I actually did not retwist my hair, and I just went on. And when I woke up the next day, my hair actually looked really nice. So I was kind of intrigued. I was like, maybe this might be another good video, another good product to use, for twist outs. But I'm really intrigued to see how it's gonna be on a wash and go. And that is it. My hair is all taken down, as you guys can see, and my hair does not have a lot of frizz, has a lot of definition. I'm loving every minute of this. I do like this product. I like how it looked, how it worked with on a wash and go. I'm sorry, on a twist out. I'm doing a twist out. It says it right there, twist out. That's what I just did. Oh God, it's been a minute since I filmed, y'all. It's been a minute, but I do like how it looks, how my hair looks in this wash and go with this product. I do want to see how it works on a wash and go. If you guys also want to see it, talk to me below, and I will revisit this next month and give you guys a wash and go with this product, and we'll do a revisit and see how this all turns out. I will say there is a little bit of flakes. I don't know if you can see it. I threw on a gray shirt, and I really should have put a black one on so you guys can see. There's a little bit of flakage. It's not a lot, but it's a little bit of flakage. But it's not so much that it's annoying, though. I think I will say that. It's not like, holy crap, it's sitting on top of my hair and you can see it. It's a little bit of flakage. You just have to watch how much you use per twist. I think that's the best way to say it. So I know when I do a wash and go, I'm going to have to be somewhat careful of how much I put in each section. So would I buy these products again? Yes, I would. I would. I do recommend them. I like how, like I said, I like how the shampoo cleansed my scalp, but it didn't make it dry. The mask, the hair mask was really nice. I liked how it worked. And I do, like I said, I do like the styler, as you all can see. And I'm also going to have pictures over here of my hair at different times while using it. I think my only issues is that I wish there was a conditioner, a rinse out conditioner, because I do like to layer, especially in the wintertime, I like to layer my conditioners. I like to have a rinse out and a leave in on top of a mask to get in as much moisture as humanly possible. It would just been nice if we would have got that. That's okay, no big deal. but I would have liked to have had that. I believe there is an oil. I did not get the oil because I have a lot of oils floating around this house. I just found some peppermint oil while cleaning, and I found some jojoba oil. So I'm like, I'm good. I don't need any more oil around this house. So I did not pick that up. I did pick up some other products from Mielle that you guys are going to see in future videos. And that's really, you guys will see those later. I'm not even going to get into those. So, yes, I will buy these products again with enough with all the rambling. So, yeah, I'll buy them again. And that is it for this video. I am all done. I did that as quick as I possibly can because it is 7:56 and I have things to do. I have to get out of here in like an hour. So I have to like get some stuff done. So maybe I could try to get this edit in before I get out of here. If not, I'm gonna be editing half the night. So if you guys like videos like these and you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And subscribing is free. And that's about it. If you all want to talk to me below, all my social media, you can talk to me below. And all my social medias were at the very beginning of this video. I can't talk. You can tell I haven't filmed in a while. My talking skills have gone awry. So I'm going to get out of here. Like I said, I have a bunch of stuff to do before I go. So talk to me below. And Merry New Year. And I hope you guys had a great holiday season. And we're back. We got videos. I got videos all month for y'all. So if you have any other ideas of things you guys want to see, also talk to me below. And that's it. I'm going to go. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.